Yeah, okay, that sounds good. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. So you might not have been able to hear that, but using ORII, I was able to have a call. And that's because ORII is a voice assistant ring that turns your finger into a smartphone, all through just a touch of the ear. But why? That's because the way in which we're using our devices is changing from a world where we use screens and touch to one where we talk. Now, ORII uses bone conduction, and bone conduction has been used in many medical-grade devices. We've packaged it in a way that it sends vibrations through your finger directly into your ear so only you can hear, and that allows you to hear and talk through just your finger. Hey man, nice music, love it. And thanks to bone conduction and the dual noise-canceling microphone, you can hear and talk, even in loud places. So check this out. ORII is perfectly private and discreet. Using it makes you feel just like a secret agent. And ORII is more than just a neat gadget for taking and making calls, because behind it is powerful voice artificial intelligence. Our friend Siri and Google Assistant. It puts them exactly where you need them. Think about all the different things that you can do. And one of my favorite, translation. All you have to do is just motion upwards, and you say, ORII, how do I say, where are the burritos in Spanish?
¿Dónde están los burritos?
¿Dónde están los burritos? And just like burritos come in different flavors, ORII comes in 3 different colors. I guarantee you, there's an ORII ring for every outfit and every occasion. And even better, ORII is splash-proof too. Look guys, I know how popular you are. And that's why you have the ORII app.
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Hello? Sorry about that. Hello? Yeah.